Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to set up task priorities based on urgency in Todoist. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's dive right in. First up, open Todoist and navigate to your task list. You can do this by clicking on the task icon on the left-hand side of the screen. The reason we do this is because each task in your list will have a priority level, which is what we'll be adjusting. Next, select the task you want to prioritize. Once you've clicked on it, you'll notice a priority button at the top of the task details screen. This is where we're going to set our task's priority. The priority button is important because it allows you to tell Todoist which tasks are most urgent. Now let's set the priority level. Click on the priority button. You'll see 4 color-coded priority levels. Level 1 is red and reserved for tasks that need to be done immediately. Level 2, in orange, is for tasks that are important but not as urgent. Level 3 is yellow for tasks that need attention but aren't pressing. And Level 4, in white, is for tasks that have no particular urgency. Choose the priority level that best aligns with the urgency of your task. The reason we do this is to visually distinguish between tasks that must be done now and those that can wait. The great thing about Todoist is that once you've set your priorities, the app will organize your tasks accordingly. Tasks with a higher priority level will appear at the top of your task list. This helps us because it allows us to see at a glance what we should be focusing on first. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save button at the top right corner of the Task Details screen to make sure your priority settings are saved. This is crucial because without saving, your changes will be lost and your task won't be prioritized. And that's it. You've learned how to set up task priorities based on urgency in Todoist. Remember, the key to successful task management is not just creating tasks, but prioritizing them. This ensures that you focus your time and energy on what's most important. Thank you for joining us today, and happy prioritizing.